What will you use? Import export?
Import.
Morgan. What else?
.env. .env.
Can only be used in TypeScript. Import.env.
Huh?
What I'm doing here? It's saying
Yeah, it's right. It's right.
.env. This is returning this error.
What you say?
You can see import this thing can only be used
Is
in
is
TypeScript.
is from is from. See your from not from.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Typo error from not
Yes.
from. Yeah.
Hmm. Sorry. To use like this.
Yeah. Initialize your .env. Initialize your .env above the app.
Is it like
Yeah.
this?
Yeah.
Can we use multiple middlewares like this? Use course and Morgan.
No,
No.
I've not seen.
Uh,
I've not seen.
well, we will try later.
Give it a try. Let's see. Give it a try.
Yes, of course.
Give it a try. Let's see.
Express, express dot static. Sorry,
Express.json.
JSON. This is the data coming from client in the form of JSON to pass.
Yeah.
Okay, and app dot use express dot URL code is from the form.
Yeah.
Is it true? Extended. What should we do? Extended means true.
Ex- yeah.
What do you do? Do you do false or true?
It's true. True.
Yes. Thank you. Now, what else?
Uh, you have to create a DB file. Create a DB file.
DB. Yes,
A file
yes,
named DB.
yes, we will do that.
Folder first. Folder.
Folder.
Then file. Yeah.
Will you do like controller, model, and routes differently?
Yeah. Controller. Yeah. You have to create all of them.
Controllers, models, routes as well.
Routes. Yeah. Routes. Middleware. Middleware.
Yes. and
utils, in case utils.
utils. What else? DB.
DB, yeah, DB.
I
Then
think
in DB,
yes,
create a file. You can either call it connect DB.
yes. Let me just. So where will you listen for the server? In the DB database
No,
connection or
in
separate?
the server, server.
Separate.
Yeah, I'm done listening. This is
So
what you do. This is what you do. No, yeah, you can you can remove it, remove it. Then create a function. Create a function called start.
arrow function.
Yeah,
Now
start.
start.
Yeah.
What will you do here?
Then app.listen.
Let me just get the port. Port from. What should I name the
Dot
file for the environment variables? env.env.
env.
env. What port do you prefer? 5000 or
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
5050? And let's go there.
No, 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 no.
Do you want to
Above,
store in,
above. Yeah,
store in variable?
yeah, start variable.
What string do you prefer to tell server to represent server string? Server is running
Yeah, server is running.
on port. Is it okay?
Yeah, start.
Just here.
It should be async. It
Async.
should be async. Yeah. No, 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 no. Is that how you do it?
Yes, sorry, I'm a little confused.
After the assignment equation.
Yes,
Yeah,
it is here. I've done it.
yeah.
I was a little confused. Now, do you
Then go to DB.
connection?
Create connect DB. Yeah,
Connect.
DB connection. Anyone. Import mongoose.
So, should we use the sync function?
Yeah,
Const
async function.
connection async.
Yeah. With parameters
Sorry,
of URL. With parameters URL.
URI.
Yeah.
So we can get I can get the URL directly here from the .env file. Is it possible? Yeah, it is possible, but it is good practice.
Just pass. No, no, you don't need to get it there. Just pass URI. Yeah.
Try catch or what?
Yeah. Try cache.
Let
Await.
sorry.
Await. It should be await.
Yes, yeah,
Export.
module role export or what? Only export.
Export. No, 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 no.
Sorry, how?
Not module export. Just export default. Export default. Yeah.
Anything else you want to do here? You want to tell DB is
I
connected?
don't think. No, no. Just this thing. Maybe you have extra thing to do. There. Let me see.
Do you want to tell DB is connected? I mean, to show in the console.
All right.
Just this. We will actually customize it more later when we actually if we want to more customize errors to return from the DB server if not connected, we can do it later.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, and now actually what we are doing here, we are basically setting our environment or development environment, isn't it?
Yeah. Then you can go to server.js and import.
Yes. Where do you want to put it?
It starts above app.this.
App.listen inside here.
Above, above.
Above.
No, no, no. Above.
Okay.
Inside starts. Inside starts.
Sorry.
Inside the start function. Inside the start function.
Yes. Here.
Await. With await at the back.
Yes.
Then
Then
process.env dot.
yes, that's
Because it's a promise. If it has to run first.
sorry. Uh, what did you say? Let me copy and paste the URI to URI.
Yeah, you are right. I've gotten what I don't worry. Just copy it and paste.
Okay. Do you want to specify the do it database
The name.
name separately, or I want to? Can I put here?
Yeah,
Sorry.
put the name. Yeah. Go to create dot git ignore.
Yes, that's good. What else files you do want to involve in this?
Maybe when we keep on working.
What are the util files? I mean, I have not used utils
No,
for.
no.
Yeah, I have understood that. Is our backend, sorry, is our
Go to package JSON.
yes, okay, let me wait. Do you want to specify specify any?
Dev dev.
Okay, okay. Where do you want me to go?
Package JSON.
Okay. You want me to do this?
Yeah.
Normal. Sorry, yes.
You, you can create two stats and dev.
What else? What other script do you want to create? Put here.
And I think maybe
Hmm?
do you have any other? Do you have anything to add?
Sorry.
I mean,
Like
you can test run it. Let's see if it has connected.
we are not doing any testing right now. We will do it later. So, is our server setup complete? Basic setup. Let me see if it is successfully running. Can't find module DB connection.
Dot,
So
dot .js.
dot,
Dot .js. Add dot .js.
yeah, it is taking longer to connect database. Yeah, it is connected.
ये कहानी के लिए आपसे बता दो बता दो कहानी के लिए
You
Public
can
document.
create a dummy route and test it.
Sorry.
I mean, you can create a dummy route and test it.
Damn, yes. Do you use async function here or a normal function?
No, no. Yeah, async function. Async.
So we call for
It's
okay.
working.
Yes, it's working. Okay, successful. Let's go to client folder. or do you want to do any
Yeah.
more in server folder in server?
Re-
Pages or routes?
yeah. Components pages. Redux.
Redux. Only Redux or Redux toolkit like this.
Just Redux is okay.
What will you use? A Tailwind CSS or what?
Which one do you prefer to use?
I think let's use Tailwind CSS.
Uh,
Okay,
yeah.
Tailwind CSS post CSS and uh, post CSS and auto prefixer. npm install Tailwind CSS mm, post CSS auto prefixer as tab dependency. हो गया गलत हो गया spelling wrong, it was spelling wrong Tailwind CSS.
Go to use the browser. You can actually use the Google and you can easily find it. Redux.
Yes, yeah, I have yes, actually let me try it. If it is a problem I will
All right.
go to the documentation. It was just a spelling mistake, I consider.
Right. Give it a try.
Yeah, let me try. Auto prefixer, I think everything looks good.
Test it. Let's see.
Yes, I'll test npx
Have you
one more.
have you done the configuration?
Not yet. Configuration is not complete. I have to do one more thing. Tailwind CSS dot init p internet is slow. हेलो फ़ोन काटोगी थोड़ी देर के लिए इंटरनेट स्लो चल रहा है चलो कर लो बात कर लो let me just now jump to the documentation. इंटरनेट स्लो चल रहा है मेरा, तो काम करो थोड़ा सा, भाई कर लियो बात थोड़ी देर में, थोड़ी देर में कर लियो।
अभी की डेट में मैं इनकी शादी में आई थी।
10 मिनट।
सुहाना, एक बात बताऊँ, ये ना लैपटॉप चला रहा है ना, तो इसमें इसका चल गया इंटरनेट। अभी अभी बात करूँगी उनकी बात चल रही थी। लो,
Did you configure Tailwind CSS before? Did you try?
Yeah, just look at the documentation. You can copy and paste.
Yes, it's just now. I think documentation is complete. And can should we install the dependencies we are going to use in ReactJS, like React Router DOM and Axios? If we are going to use Axios, what will you use?
Yeah, yeah. You have to install Redux toolkit,
Yeah,
Redux,
yeah.
Axios, React Tostify, Ant Design.
Mm, Redux and Redux toolkit as well. React Redux or what
Yeah,
is it? Can you please check up spelling? Am I using the good right keywords?
just go to the documentation and see it. Yeah, look at it there.
It is one, huh?
Yeah, and you got to install both of them.
Both of them.
You install React Toolkit and yeah, both of them. React Toolkit and React Redux.
Okay. React Redux. React Redux is already there. And what else?
React Tostify. It is used for notification.
Yes.
Yeah, to send users information about what they are doing.
Is it, should we use it as a dev dependency or dependency? What?
I think use it as dependency.
Yeah, it is, but flag is here for dev dependencies. It is here save, dot save. Let me just try it. Can you see the flag? Dot dash dash save, dash dash save.
Yeah, yeah.
Justify. It means that it is dev dependencies. Error. Hey, spelling error.
What do you get?
It was an spelling error. I the Axios, I wrote AXIOX while I should have written
Uh,
AXIOS. Like now it is good.
let's test our tailwind to know if it's working.
Why it's so slow? It is working.
The tailwind, give it a color.
It is
The
working.
H1.
Tailwind CSS.
The
Tailwind.
H1. Give it. Yeah. Let's test the tailwind CSS.
It is working. Yeah? Did you
Yeah,
see?
it's working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now let's push it to the GitHub. What do you write? Initial commit or what?
Yeah, initial commit.
Let's set the origin remote. Am I doing mistake? I think I have misspelled the shopping.
What?
SHO.ping. Is it good spelling? Correct spelling or what?
Yeah. The PNG. Yeah.
Do you what branch initially you use, master or main?
I use main, but let's use master this time around.
But actually I use sometime main and sometime master. चाबी कहाँ गाड़ी की गाड़ी की चाबी okay. Git branch to rename the branch, should we use D or flag or M? अरे बाहर खड़ी है गाड़ी
Just choose the best author.
अभी ready हो तुम? Okay, let's go. Okay. Can you see it? I have post to the GitHub.
Give me access.
Sorry,
Give me access.
you want to get it, get the access to it. You can. So how can you? How will you access this repository? You can create clone it directly in your computer. I mean, in your PC.
Yeah, but you have to give me access. Then if you give me access, I can clone it, and then when I do my work, I will have to push it back,
Yeah.
and you have to clone it to get changes
Yeah.
reflex.
So what is the process to? I actually before now I have not uh, provided the access to my Git repositories before, so I didn't do that before. But I think what I know is how you can directly clone the repository and you can push.
Yeah,
I can then
or maybe
then I need to pull the
if yeah, 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 yeah. If I think go to setting first. Let me check if your is this public?
yeah, is this public? This is public.
Okay, it's public. Okay, 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 okay. No problem.
No need to give you any access. I think you can access it and you
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah,
write code and you can push. When you will push, I will get a pull request, and
yeah, yeah,
I will commit, save that, and I will commit and then push back again.
yeah.
So now the branch is man, and the next thing we are going to do is we are going to work on the front end first, huh?
Yeah.
So uh, can we create sub branches?
Do you think it's necessary?
Sub branches.
I mean, uh,
I never created sub branches. I did not. I mean, uh, branch embedded branches. Let's say
yes,
I have a branch back end and front end. Okay, I mean, let me create two branches with the branch back end, or sorry, server. Okay, and branch git branch client git branch I have 3 branches now. What I
Yeah, I
want,
can see.
I want to check out git checkout client. I am on client. Now I want the branch inside the client. Did you ever do this?
No, I've not used sub branch.
Let me try if I can go. Absolutely, you can create sub branches in various contexts, especially in a version control system, in like Git or within Git. In Git instance, you can create a sub branch from an existing branch. Yes, the sub branch inherits the commits and changes from its parent's branch and allows to work on a specific feature. Yes. What is that? Mac. So you are on the client branch. Okay. Create login sub branch. This command creates a new branch called login based on the current branch client. Now you can work with the login branch independently. Mac changes commits etc login the branch. Okay. Then push the new branch to the remote repository needed. Okay. Let's try it. Git branch b. What should be the next branch? Can you suggest what are we going to work very in the beginning of the project?
What we are going to work on?
So let's say we have set up our client or front end environment. Now what we are going to do first?
Yeah, is to is to structure the Redux toolkit.
Redux toolkit.
Yeah.
What is it saying? It's saying unknown switch to B git branch. Is it B? Sorry, git checkout B. Git checkout B. Checkout and git checkout B. Okay, should I use checkout? Switch to new branch. Git branch. Git add git commit created branch, this branch, push origin redux man, push origin redux git checkout client git push origin client push origin man, checkout git git push in server. Checkout man, here you can see I have 4 branches.
You said,
Can you see here?
yeah, I can see.
Client I have, but actually why does it not represent reduct toolkit as a sub branch? It should have been uh, what is called, it should be pushed a little bit ahead, like it should have been shown like it is sub branch.
So how many we have main branch, we have
Yes,
clients.
yes, we have Redux toolkit, we have server. We will discover it about it more. Okay, I will discover it about it more later. We can discover more. So now I have created 3 branches: client, Redux toolkit, and server. So actually, I do not have better understanding on Redux toolkit. So what should we do?
Maybe do you consider removing the Redux toolkit branch?
Yeah. So how will you? Let's say you have post the code. I mean, clone the repository. Which branch will you work on?
Definitely, I will work on. I think we'll work on all the branches. I think it
No.
depends on the one we are working. First of all, if we are working on the client or the server, then we have to task ourselves. You have to do this part, and I do this part. Then when you upload, I clone. When you clone, I upload. So that's how I want us to do this.
Okay. Let me have a look at front end, or did you find any design for front end development on the internet?
No, I've not seen. I've not had time to check.
You can check now. Okay, you can check. You can choose whatever you want. I mean, the front end design on the internet template. We can work on that. We can redesign that on our own. Is it okay?
Uh, yeah. You not only you should equally check. Then you should check, and I will check.
Yeah,
Then the
I
best one we
yes,
choose.
yes. I will check as well. I will check as well. So now, what is the next thing we are going to do?
I think we are almost done with the most important thing for now.
Yes. So I think. Can you please tell me? I have seen this message on my branches. Your human branch is not protected. It means so I have not gone through this issue in my GitHub account or in any repository. So how can I protect my branch?
It's actually saying it's not protected. Maybe because it's public. Can you just copy and paste on the internet to know the reason?
Yeah, I will see it. Actually, I have seen this message many times, but I never tried to get this problems solution. So now, what is the next? What are you going to do?
The next is first of all, we have to check for a design, a better design. Then
Yes,
when we get the better design,
yes,
we start working like the login page,
yeah,
sign-in page.
yeah,
Then we talk about if we have admin and user, then we design admin and user page.
yes. So whenever you work, please create a branch for a specific feature, not just a small. For a, if it is wider concept, like if it is login page, if it is mm, sign up page, if it is any particular page, we will create a different branch for that.
Okay,
Is it possible?
all right. Yeah,
Because our code will be more organized if we do this like this. We can jump our code, we can catch the problem, we can it means that our code will be organized and divided into many pieces. So we don't have
yeah,
to worry about the problems. If we get in our project, we can jump to the specific code, we can find that code, minimized
yeah.
code.
All right.
So is it enough for today?
Yeah, I think that is enough for today.
Yes,
I will
actually.
be again next time.